More than 40,000 Syrians are waiting at the Turkey-Syria border, having escaped the latest onslaught in Syria's devastating war. A highly anticipated ceasefire could bring humanitarian aid, but violence is still escalating. CCTV's John Metherell has more.
Turkey shelled Kurds in northern Syria for a second day, despite calls to stop from NATO allies. France didn't stop there. Paris wants an immediate end to all airstrikes, and that includes Syria's government, its allies, and Turkey. Kurdish forces are advancing on Aleppo, gaining ground ahead of a proposed ceasefire set to begin sometime next week. Still, Ankara says it's intent on keeping Syrian Kurds from joining forces with their Turkish counterparts. And Russia also continues bombing Syrian rebel groups. Observers say the increased violence dims hopes for humanitarian intervention. Russian President Vladimir Putin and US President Barack Obama discussed the issue by phone on Saturday. The Kremlin released a statement saying both sides gave a positive assessment, both in terms of humanitarian aspects and to develop modalities for the ceasefire, and in promoting the launch of a real political process. The White House released its own statement saying Obama emphasized the importance now of Russia playing a constructive role by ceasing its air campaign against moderate opposition forces in Syria. But as global leaders negotiate and humanitarians prepare for peace, more military resources are heading to the region. Saudi Arabia deployed warplanes to Turkey. The move lends support to a possible joint Ankara-Riyadh ground offensive in Syria, something Turkey has already mentioned. There is no clear deadline for the ceasefire to start. For now, diplomats say humanitarian access is the priority. John Metherell, CCTV.